Hey guys, and welcome to episode number 6, I think, of this little mini Inktober series. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's episode 6. And yeah, this time I've just been, I must have mentioned it in like a previous video or whatever, but I've been like obsessed with trying to figure out a way that I like to draw like cities and like man-made things, because you'll notice I never ever draw those things, and I think they're just really intimidating because they're hard to get right because you see them all the time. So if you draw like a building slightly wrong, or like you do the windows too big or something weird like that, like it's super obvious and you can tell right away, and it's definitely like a huge scary challenge that I've put off for a long time. And I don't necessarily want to be like an urban artist or whatever. Like, you know, there's people who are like bomb and they can draw cities and it's crazy. I still really like the fantasy aspect, but like there's castles in fantasy, and if you don't draw the castle right, it looks freaking weird. So yeah, I definitely want to get more comfortable with that. There was an attempt in my sketchbook. I don't know if I'll post this. If I do post it, it'll just be a picture. It won't be a scan or anything. I don't know. I attempted to draw like a straightway, like a Japanese alleyway, and it was weird. It definitely, because I didn't use a ruler. Oh, excuse me. It's getting late, and the internet went out. It's out from Montreal to like Toronto, all along the lake there. So definitely this has been a challenge. But yeah, I like attempted a city, but I didn't have a ruler, and like I don't know, it just looks kind of wonky and wrong. Like I said, you see cities so often when something's wrong, like you can tell. But it's better than what I thought I could do, so I don't know. I just really need to leave this comfort zone, and I have a couple episodes left. I think I have 3 left. No, 4. I think I have 4. I don't know. Let's look at the calendar. How many episodes do we have left? So I've recorded this one and that one. So I have 3 episodes left. Oh, that's sick. Halloween falls on a Wednesday. Oh, what do you guys want? Like, should I do something special? Ooh. But yeah, I have a few episodes left, and I definitely wanted to like just step out of my comfort zone a little bit, just because these do not take as long as fully finished pieces. So I feel like I have more time to like screw things up and start over, you know? So yeah, definitely I think we should, obviously, I mean, it's stating the obvious, but yeah, maybe if you're doing Inktober, like kind of doing Inktober, if you did Inktober but like stopped, maybe just try and do one more thing and like try and make it out of your comfort zone. You don't have to show anyone. Like I might show that city, but I also might never show it. So yeah, no, I definitely didn't do anything advanced in this. I just kind of, I don't know, I was testing the waters. I didn't really know what I wanted to draw. Like I said, there's no internet, so there wasn't really a way for me to like browse for references, and like I don't know, there's like images saved to my computer, but I don't know, so I just kind of had to, oh my god, excuse me, yeah, I just kind of had to like think about what I wanted to draw, and I just settled for like some bricks. Well, I mean, I started drawing some bricks, and then I was like, we could do steps, and like maybe someone could be standing there, but like that's weird, like why is there steps there? I don't know why there's steps there. There just is, okay. So yeah, I just kind of did that, and then I threw in a landscape, and then it looked empty, so I was debating between like drawing a bunch of plants there, but I put a dragon there because, you know, I haven't drawn a dragon in a couple days. Yeah, I haven't drawn a dragon in like 2 days, guys. Like, that's a lot. That's a long time for me. So yeah, I did that. He's in like a I don't know, I kept him more or less simple just because, I don't know, honestly, I was running out of daylight, and I just didn't want to like watch the sunset in this time lapse, even though you're probably going to be able to see the sunset in the time lapse, but you know, whatever. The struggles when you don't have a lighting setup. And yeah, like I mentioned in the previous video, this whole thing was done with like dirty paint water. because like, the ink that I used, like the black ink that I used for the last video, is so potent that like a few drops of it just totally saturated my paint water. So yeah, that's a thing. And then Loish has been doing Inktober, and the way she's doing it is like she's using like colored leads in her shading as well, which is cool. Like it looks really cute. So I don't know, I kind of wanted to add some of that. That's one. See, these colored leads have like a lot of like ups and downs. They're pretty 50-50 because it's a pencil, so you kind of want it to be like erasable. But as you could see probably in the recording, it's very hard to erase, if not impossible. If you pushed hard, like you probably can't erase these pencils. They're really nice. Oh, and they're super waxy, so it's hard to see them when I'm shining a light over what I'm doing. But yeah, they're fun leads. It's just maybe don't use them on the final paper of your drawing, or else you're probably not gonna be able to get them off. But they do look cool, just because you don't often see colored pencil like as like colored pencil lead, you know what I mean? It's just not, I don't know. I think it gives cool vibes, but you gotta be careful how you use it. So yeah, I just kind of gave it some extra layers of shading with that, and yeah, I did this while watching that new Pokemon movie with Lucario in it, just because I had it on my hard drive, so why not? So I wanted it to feel like kind of quaint, just because it felt quaint to me at the beginning. But then they brought in all the Reggies, and those guys are freaking creepy. Maybe I should draw the Reggies for Halloween. Yeah, here's to trying to step out of our comfort zone a little bit. I think that using a ruler has definitely made this look more like solid. Definitely a lot less wonky than the city I drew. So yeah, maybe next episode I'll do something even more man-made-y. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it, and I'll see you guys for the next one.